Hello everyone. Welcome to Guidify. Are you getting the unable to connect to server error in Fortnite? Don't worry. I'll show you a few methods that can help fix this problem. Let's get started. First step. Close Epic Games Launcher completely. Then right-click on Epic Games Launcher. Select Run as Administrator. Now open Fortnite. And check if you can connect to the servers. If the problem is still there, let's verify the Fortnite files. Open Epic Games Launcher. Find Fortnite in your library. Click the three dots next to it. Select Manage. Then click Verify. This will check the game files for missing or corrupted files. Wait for the verification to finish. Then open Fortnite again. If you're still unable to connect, let's reset your network settings. Open Windows Search. Search for Network Reset. And open it. Click Reset Now. This will reset your Windows network settings. After that, restart your PC. If you're using Wi-Fi, you'll need to enter your Wi-Fi password again. Once your PC starts, open Fortnite and check if you can connect to the servers. Before reinstalling Fortnite, keep in mind that this problem can also happen during game maintenance or when a new season is launching. If that's the case, the servers may be temporarily unavailable. You may just need to wait until the maintenance is finished. But if the servers are working normally, you can try reinstalling Fortnite. Open Epic Games Launcher. Click the three dots next to Fortnite. Select Uninstall. Then install Fortnite again. Hopefully one of these methods fixes the unable to connect to server error for you. If you're still facing any other problem, let us know in the comments. We'll try our best to guide you. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe to Guidify. Thanks for watching.